This video is all about how to use templates to send personalized emails more efficiently. Let's start by talking about what it takes to write a really solid email, and then we'll talk about how to turn those emails into templates. Here are 4 pro tips that'll help you write emails that are worth turning into templates. First, every email needs to have a purpose, a reason that the contact will actually want to receive it. Maybe your boss requires you to send a certain number of emails each month, but your contacts really don't care about that. They only want to see an email from you if it helps them somehow. If you want to create a really great email that you can then turn into a really great email template, you have to be laser focused on the purpose of it. And don't think about this in terms of what you want to accomplish. Scheduling a meeting or closing a sale. Instead, think about what you're trying to help your contact accomplish. Is there a question you're answering for them? Is there a misconception you're helping them clarify? Once this email becomes a template, you'll need to know that so you know exactly when to use it. Keep in mind, people need different things at different times. Someone who's just figuring out that they have a problem isn't going to be looking for a solution quite yet. So they'll be more interested in educational content than in product comparisons. But once you've met with someone and they're trying to decide between you and your competitors, a product comparison might be exactly what they need. This means you need to create a set of templates, with different templates for each step of your sales process. It's worth noting here that email is not the only way to reach out to a person. Especially when you're first making contact, try to think of options besides sending an email. For example, if someone writes a blog post or says something on a forum that makes you think they might be looking for a solution like yours, a good first step would be commenting on their post. Engage with them where they are. Nobody likes to receive an email from a stranger. So whenever you can, start by sharing helpful content with them elsewhere. You can always move the conversation to email later. So as you consider the purpose of your templates, ask yourself if email is the best way to accomplish that purpose. Next, every email needs to be written for a particular kind of person. This is one place where buyer personas come in handy. In the class on contacts and custom views, a persona is described as little more than a job title. But when you're creating email templates, you'll need to think about other aspects of your persona as well. Think about it. Even if you work exclusively with, say, CEOs, you probably have a few different kinds of customers. Some will be data-driven executives